MRO Productions, and today I'm going to be making a Java tutorial. So first off, let's start with the boilerplate. So we create a class called the main. This will be our program. We can call main, I think anything. Then do public static void main string args dit, and now you basically have your program. And let's run it. Done. But now let's focus on how to print text to screen. There are two ways. The first way is system.out.println and then end with a semicolon. This prints text and does a space. And look, this is what I mean by it. We do system.out.print hi and then do system.out.print same line. Look at what will happen. See, they're in the same line. But if I do println, okay, print line, it has a new line. So yeah. Now I'll tell you how to declare variables. So there are two main variable types. Int, which are numbers, like int x equals 10, and strings. String y is equal to. Okay, so ints are numbers and strings are text. And we can do this to print them. System.out.println x is plus x. And we end with a semicolon. Look, x is 5. See? Simple. Now, let's say that you want to add 10, a 5 to x. So you x plus equals 5. Or if you want to make it easier, x is equal to x plus 5 semicolon. And then the result will be 15. 15. And also you can do that with other variables. But look, this will give an error because x is a int and y is a string. So let's run it. I'm sure we'll give an error. See? Incompatible types. So they must be the same type. For example, let's say I create a new variable called c is 7. We do x is equal to x plus c. You'll get 17. See? Okay, now the next thing I'm going to tell you is how to get user input. So simple. Do import java.util.scanner. I think that was. Yep. Then do scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in semicolon, and that basically creates a scanner. Now, let's say you want to get user input. So this is how you do it. Now you do string user input is equal to scanner dot next line. And this is for strings. And as you can see, you can do this. And something happened. We got some technical errors. Let me just quite quickly fix this. I don't know what happened to program is. Kind of weird. It's fixed. No. Okay, guys, I fixed the error. Something happened. I don't know. So look, I added this new line called input something. As you can see, we can input something. Like hey, and that's it. And as I said, you can print the result. Okay, so let's say system.out.println. Yeah, next line, and then we do you input, and let's do user input. And now this should print the user input. Hello. See? Works. Now, we're going to do the next final stuff. Let's say that we want to like check if the user input is something. Then let's do this. If at user input dot equals hello, then should do system dot out dot println hi. So let me explain. So what this does is that it will check for the if the user input is exactly this. If it is, it will print hello. Else, it will do nothing. Let's see. Let's test. So we put hello prints hi. Well now, if we print something else, see. And if you want else, you can do this. System system dot out println hello. And now, if we don't print hello, input hello, it will just, I can do something random, hello. And if you want a multiple, like, uh, stuff, you can do also for something like that. And I need to check. The next thing we're gonna do is while loops. While loops will execute the code in here, as long as the condition here is true. For example, let's say, let's say we have a variable, an integer called x, and as long as x equals 5, it will do something here. It can be whatever you want. That's it. And then when x stops being 5, it will just continue here. Now, the next thing, which will be the last thing I'm going to be discussing in this video, are going to be for loops. For loops here are like while loops, but they only execute in a set amount of time. So look at here. So here, for int I equals 0, I minus 5, I plus plus. So let me explain. So it creates a variable called I, which will be 0. Then, as long as I is less than 5, it will execute any code here. And at the end, it will do this, which increases I plus 1. Sample system.out.println. If we do this, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my Java tutorial video. I really enjoy making it, and I'm going to make other tutorial videos for other programming languages. I think C or C++, maybe Python. Bye, guys.